Let's cutify the zippers you already have and turn them into something truly unique, swapping out your zipper pulls, making something just like this. You will need a couple zippers, same size but different colors, and it doesn't matter if they're single or double pull. Now I cut off my edges just like this. And the same on the other side. And now I'm taking off my zipper pulls. Now I'm doing the same on another one. I cut off the edges and then I take off my zipper pull. And then I do it all over again for a second blush pull. And here are my zipper pulls. You can see the wider end on top and the narrow bit at the bottom. Now I push my zipper pull onto my fork, just like this, with the wider bit on top and the narrow end at the bottom. Now I'm taking one bit of my zipper and thread it through just like this. And then the same for the other side. And when both bits are in, I push the fork against my tummy and pull down both ends. And that's it. Now let's do all of this for a zipper with 2 pulls. I push my zipper pull onto a fork just like this, again with the narrow bit at the bottom. I'm threading in the first side of my zipper and then the same on the other side. Now fork against my tummy and then I pull it all down. And that's one zipper pull on. And again, I'm pushing down my zipper pull just like this. One end goes in and then the other side. Fork against my tummy and then I push it all down. And that's it. My double pull zipper is all done. And just like that, you can customize all your zipper bags and pouches. And here's my pink zipper that I just made, used in my Quilted Boxy Pouch. And I used this green turquoise one for the easy duffel bag. And you can watch me making these right after this.